This video tutorial I will explain how to install CCleaner and how to use that. We can download CCleaner from this site. There is free version is there and pro version also there. You can download whatever you want. Using CCleaner, we can remove temporary files, cookie files, etc. from your system. The installer I have already downloaded. I am installing. Installation is completed. Here you can see the CCleaner shortcut. And if you want to remove temporary files, cookies, then click on Run Cleaner. Here you can see the output, and cleaning is complete. Around 2 GB temporary files has been removed. Here registry cleaner option is there. You can scan for the issues, and if there is any issue, you can fix the issues. Fix selected issues. Click on tools, and here uninstall option is there. If you want to uninstall any software, you can select the software and click on uninstall. It will uninstall the software. And here startup option is there. Disk analyzer option is there. Click on options, and here you can do various settings. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.